What's up, Peak Timers? It's case unboxing time, and this time we've got the first case of 2021. That's right, the 2021 Hot Wheels A case. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. As always, my cases are provided by granitetoys.com. If you guys want to subscribe and get your own Hot Wheels cases, make sure you head on over to granitetoys.com. I will link them in the description box below. You guys can subscribe to the 2021 Hot Wheels cases so you can get every single case that is released for 2021. Make sure you go head on over to granitetoys.com before they're all sold out. The treasure hunt for this case is the Baja Bone Shaker, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Nissan 300ZX. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Right up top right here, our first car for the 2021 case is the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and this is in that new kind of matte gray color. We've got the 32 Ford with the Uno paint job on it, very nice. And we've got the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro as our first three cars. Let's see what else we have here. We've got the Electro Silhouette. We've got Mad Props in a new color, and there is our Nissan 300ZX, but this does not look to be like the Super Treasure Hunt, so there's still a chance of getting the Super Treasure Hunt variation of it. This is just the mainline variation, although I really like this color of this one. Very, very nice. I like that. All right, next up we have, we'll grab three of them here. We've got the Night Dragon. We've got Poison Arrow, and the Baja Bone Shaker, and this looks to be our treasure hunt. I believe it's our treasure hunt. I think it is. Yes, it is. It is. We can see the treasure hunt logo just right on the top right there. Sorry, my watch is activating, but there we go. We've got the treasure hunt of the Baja Bone Shaker. Very, very cool. I like that one. We'll put that aside, and let's see what our next three are here. We've got the Pagani Huayra Roadster 2017. That one we previously saw. There's the Road Bandit, and this looks to be a new color variation in the Hot Wheels art car form. And we've got the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. All right, great cars so far. And it looks like we've got a new casting. That's right, the Barbie Dream Camper. Oh my gosh, I've got two little girls and they're gonna absolutely love this casting. Can't wait to show it to them. We've got the 86 Monte Carlo SS, and we've got the tuned out Twin Mill. Also a brand new casting for 2021. That's really, really neat. I really do like that one. It's nice to get a Hot Wheels casting that is all tuned out. All right, we've got cars all following beside me here. I'll put them down. There we go. We'll grab our next ones here. There is another one of the 2010 Pro Stock Camaros. There's that tuned out Twin Mill again. And then we've got the High Roller, and it looks to be a brand new color of the High Roller, kind of like a skeleton one. This is from the Hot Wheels Glow Racer, so I guess it's a glow-in-the-dark car. We're gonna have to test that out. Maybe in our next video we'll try that one out. And what do we got here? We've got the 1970 Dodge Charger RT, the 52 Chevy, and the Quad Rod in a brand new color variation. All right, and we've got our next three here. Roger Dodger 2.0. We've got the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, and that one's got like Popeye of some sort on there. The 86 Monte Carlo SS in white. And what else do we have here? Ooh, RV There Yet in a brand new color variation. Looks almost like a Zamac type rear end. And then we've got the yellow on the front. We've got the 2010 Chevy Impala and a brand new color variation of the 96 Porsche Carrera. It's white with some sort of like orange trim on the bottom. Very neat. We'll have to open that one up in our next video. And what else do we have down here? We've got the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. That's the new red colored variation we saw in our previous case. 64 Chevy Impala SS. That was the last 2020 Super Treasure Hunt, and that's the mainline variation. We've got the Buns of Steel in a brand new colored variation. All right, what else do we have down here? Toyota Off-Road Truck, brand new color of that one. We've got the 2010 Chevy Impala again. There's that NASCAR Type 1. And what is this? Wow, okay, that's a brand new car. This one is called Hyper Fin, or yeah, it is Hyper Fin. Very, very interesting looking car. And this one is from the Netflix series of the Fast and Furious Spy Racers, but just check that one out. Okay, that's very, very neat. Very interesting casting. We'll definitely be opening that one up on our next video. And let's put those down and see what else we have down here. There's another one of the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder in a new colored variation, and the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. I like that car. That looks really cool in that color. All right, let's go down to the bottom of our case now and see what our first 3 cars are up top here. We've got the T-Rex Troyer. T-Rex Troyer. Is that a new casting? I don't think so. I feel like we've seen this one before, but I can't remember the exact name, but there it is. 64 Corvette Stingray. That's a new colored variation of the 64 Corvette Stingray. And Roger Dodger 2.0 looks to be almost the same color, but just a different car. All right, we'll throw those aside. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno with the Ad Van color on it. Wow, that is super, super nice. I really like that one. I didn't expect to see that one. That one's really cool. We've got the Tankinator, and we've got the Triumph TR6. Check that one out. Great looking color variation of that one as well. All right, let's see what we have up here. There's another one of the Hyper Fins. And we've got the 2019 Audi R8 Spider and the Batman Acrom Knight Batmobile. That's a new colored variation of that one. I don't know what the exact color of that is. It almost looks like a dark green. Yeah, I think it is a dark green color. We'll have to see more and other lighting here. But let's go ahead and grab our next ones up top right here. And we've got, I'm dropping some here. It wouldn't be a video unless I dropped a car. There we go. 69 Camaro. We saw that one previously. This is brand new. This is a Star Wars car, and it is the X34 Land Speeder. Okay, interesting now that they're bringing a whole Star Wars series. It's from the Hot Wheels Screen Time set, but wow, okay, that's definitely interesting. We'll definitely have to open that one up on our next video. And there's another one of the Barbie Dream Campers. All right, we'll put that aside. There we go. Next up, we've got a new color variation of the Mattel Dream Mobile right there. And there's another one of the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Torinos in the Advent colors. And we've got the Big Air Bel Air in that white color variation. We did see that one on our previous case as well. So put those aside. What else do we have right here? We've got 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, which we saw before, the 64 Chevelle SS, and the 1970 Dodge Charger RT. Some muscle cars right there. And what else do we have? We've got the Rigger Motor. Rigger Motor. Okay, that's not a new one. I think we have seen this one before, but that's an interesting one. We've got the skulls and stuff on there. Hot Wheels Art Car Series. We've got the Corvette C706 in that orange color, and there's another one of those Mattel Dream Mobiles. All right. And what else do we have? Another one of the Star Wars X34 Land Speeders. And there's another one of the Bentley Continental GT3s. And this looks to be a new color variation of the Aeropod. Look at that. It's got like a T-Rex on the side of it. That's really, really neat. Nice looking graphics and stuff on the side. And that one is from Dino Riders. All right, that's a new series for 2021. We'll have to check out what future cars we get for the Dino Riders series. There's another one of the Big Air Bel Airs and the Night Dragon, as well as a Velosa Racer. All right. And, I see one of the new Mustangs. The 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. We did see that one in our previous case, but it's nice to get a new one of those. And this looks to be a new casting. I've not seen this one before. Retroactive. Okay, it's got the orange tires on there and wheels. And look at that. It's got like a little track on there, and it's from the Track Stars. So we'll have to put this one in one of our races. Maybe on Sunday, it'll be on our live stream race. We'll see if it's actually fast down the track. We've got the 69 Camaro right here as well, as I've got cars just flying everywhere here. We already saw that Camaro, so we'll put that one aside. And we're getting down to our bottom here. We've got the Electro Silhouettes. There is that Corvette C706 again, and there's the 2019 Kia Stinger GT in that new gray color. We did race one of these down the track, and it wasn't as fast as the blue variation, but that's okay. All right, our bottom three cars, our last three cars of the 2020 Hot Wheels A case is a Velociracer, another one of the Kia Stinger GTs, and oh wow, it's almost like we're saving one of the best for last, the Dodge Power Wagon new colored variation with the mud tires on there. Wow, I really like that. That's so cool. This is from the Baja Blazers series, so it looks like we're gonna get a lot of cool different variations of those ones as well. All right, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up for the 2021 Hot Wheels A case unboxing. We'll be opening up these cars in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Bye-bye.